The Standard Chartered online trading account is actually a very underrated trading platform. That's because when you have priority banking with Standard Chartered, the platform removes the usual minimum brokerage fees. Instead, you will only pay 0.18% on trades through the Singapore Stock Exchange and 0.2% on all other exchanges. This makes small trades surprisingly affordable. For instance, a $1,000 trade on the Singapore markets only costs just $1.80, while a $1,000 trade on the London Stock Exchange costs only $2. This means Standard Chartered's fees are very competitive, even against low-cost platforms like IBKR, especially for trading in the Singapore and London stock markets. What's even better is the global access. Standard Chartered connects you to 14 stock exchanges worldwide, including Hong Kong, London, and New York. And because it integrates closely with the bank's ecosystem, there are additional perks. For example, if you invest at least 20,000 SGD, you qualify for an extra 2.5% interest on your bonus stable accounts for 6 months. On top of that, the 200k assets under management requirements for priority banking can be met with your investments alone, making it easier for active investors to unlock all the benefits. In this guide, I will walk you through how to get started, from registration and funding to converting currencies and finally making your first trades. So first up, if you don't have a Standard Chartered account yet, you can sign up through my referral link. Right now, new customers can get up to $660 in cash rewards for opening and funding an account. Terms and conditions apply. Pairing this with a bonus saver account unlocks even more rewards, making it one of the most attractive promotions available. During registration, fill in your personal details. Even though the form asks for a passport number, your NRIC works too. Next, declare your source of funds, purpose of the accounts, and trading currencies. Feel free to leave them as defaults. You also need to complete the W8 band declaration to invest in US markets. Make sure to open the digital W8 band form to proceed. When prompted, enter my referral code to enjoy the promotion. Once submitted, approval typically takes 3 to 4 business days. Now, once your account has been approved, you will need to fund your trading account with some money. There are 2 ways you can do that. First, you can use another bank account to transfer SGD into your SGD Securities Settlement account. The steps are exactly the same as to how you would transfer money between bank accounts. Just make sure you provide them with the correct account number here. The second method is to do an internal transfer, where you move funds directly from your SC savings account, for example bonus saver, to your securities settlement account. For internal transfers, simply go to transfer funds between own accounts, select your accounts, input the amount and confirm. Next, if you plan to invest overseas, you will need to convert SGD into the relevant foreign currency. To convert your currency, make sure you are on the SC homepage. Scroll down till you see the investments section and click Live FX. Now, let's say you want some US dollar. So what you can do is click on Buy US dollar. For the SGD, if you have not funded your SGD securities account yet, you can just switch your debiting account to your savings account and enter the amounts that you want to convert. SC even allows you to set a target rate, so your conversion only happens when your preferred rate is reached. Otherwise, you can just convert instantly at the prevailing rate. Click Next and you are done. To head back to the SC homepage, just click on the cross button on the top right hand side. Alright, we are now finally ready to buy stocks. To get started, click on the online trading button and you might be asked to authenticate your login. If this is your first time logging in, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions. Next, click on Select All to enable real-time markets data for eligible markets and accept the terms and conditions again. Click Next and finally you are in. Now everything looks very empty now. So what you want to do is add some stocks to your watch list. To do that, click on the watch list button at the top. Then add a new watch list. Give your watch list a name. For example, my watch list. You can then search for your favorite stocks to add them into your watch list. For example, let's try CSPX, which is an Ireland domicile ETF for the S&P 500. You will see several results here. The one that you want is the CSPX.GB. GB refers to the London Stock Exchange. Let's try another one, VWRA. Again, the one that you want is VWRA.GB. And lastly, let's try Microsoft. This time the one that you want is Microsoft.US, because US refers to the US Stock Exchange. Next, to buy a stock at the watch list page, right-click on the 3 dots button over to the right and click Buy. Over to the right, you'll see the stock quote. Feel free to enable real-time to see live pricing. For the order type, you are able to choose between limit order and market order. Limit order allows you to specify what price you want to buy the stock at. For example, right now the ETF is trading at $158. If I set the limit price at $150 and if the ETF drops to this price, I'll be able to buy the ETF at this price. As for market order, you just buy the stock at whatever is the current market price. So for example, the ETF is currently trading at $158. Market order will allow me to buy it at around this price. Next, order quantity allows you to specify how many units you want to buy. Note that Standard Chartered doesn't support fractional shares, so the minimum amounts that you can buy is 1 share. For validity type, if you select day order, this means that this order will only be valid for the current trading day, while good till date order means this order will be valid all the way until you cancel it or the expiration date. Once you have entered in the order details, click continue. Review your order to make sure everything is correct, then click confirm. To check your order status, you can head over to the orders tab. There, here it says that my order has been filled. If I head over to the portfolio tab, I'll be able to see all my holdings alongside the invested amount, selling fee, and the unrealized profit and loss. Now, let's say you are ready to sell stocks and whack big. To do that, over to the right of your holding, click on the 3 dots button, then click sell. Remember, if you want to sell a stock, you click sell. Don't be dumb, go click buy to buy even more stocks, yeah? After that, the steps will be exactly the same as just now. Choose your order type, price, and the quantity that you want to sell. Once everything is okay, you can just submit your order to sell your stock. And that's it. That was a super quick tutorial on how to use SC Online Trading to invest into your favorite stocks. Hope you found this useful. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every week.